Kwa mbele eni jatenda migao marteko Opiyo Wandayi oseyo jotelo moyiere gwenge ma Kaluo ewi kwan manok mar jogo mosendikore kaka jolut ombulu aluora ma Nyanza kuom thuolo mar juma achiel nyaka nyocha chenro ma kamano chakre. Wandayi wacho ni IEBC geto ndiko kwand jolut ombulu manyien mohewo ji 800 e aluora ma Nyanza, to mano ok nyal chopo kare ka jotelo moyiero ling ma ok land injili mar ndikruok kaka jolut ombulu ne jopiny. Ne gilose sach nyasi maralam e kanisa jokopere marang'ala e kar chung'od bura ma Ugunja e kaunti ma Siaya.
I want to make a special appeal to young people who have been calling for change in Kenya. The best way to bring change is through the ballot. So please register as voters, have your vote, prepare to cast your vote, bring the change that you want Kenya to be.
I want to challenge all of us, and especially our leaders, that we take this opportunity to galvanize our people, to mobilize our people, especially the young ones, to come out and register between now and the next general election. In my estimation, these 4 counties have got the capacity to enlist additional 800,000 voters. That will take us to about 3 million voters in the minimum. 3 million voters is not a small number. It's a number that is enough to take us to the negotiation table. So let it be a challenge to all elected leaders from this region, to ensure that our people come out and register as voters. I will personally take the initiative